Hey guys, what's up? Kaikane here once again to save the day and possibly your lives. So, today's topic is how to save money when teaching in Japan or doing whatever it is you are doing. No matter how much money you are making, ladies and gentlemen, you should be saving money for your future, especially if you guys are in your younger stage of life, in your early 20s, early 30s, and even in your 40s. Anybody starting to save money after 50 will have a problem. Anyways, let's get down to the details. So basically, if you want to prepare for your future and your retirement or buy that nice Lamborghini or Bentley or house by the beach you've always been dreaming of, or even that little yacht you plan on sailing around the world or in South America or whatever, you should be saving at least 25% of your salary. Now, this applies to anybody in any job anywhere in the world, okay? Not just teaching English or teaching English in Japan or in China or wherever you are. You must be saving at least 25% of your salary. For example, if you're making $3,000 a month, you should be saving 25%, and 25% of $3,000 is, of course, $750. After 12 months of saving $750, which is 25% of your $3,000 paycheck, you will have $9,000 after 12 months. Boom. You see that magic that just happened? Again, guys and gals, this is just a basic idea to get you started on your savings plan of teaching English in Japan or wherever or whatever it is you are doing anywhere in the world with any job. Start saving your money and start preparing for your future. Now, I do know tons and tons of guys and girls here in Japan who have really, really high-paying jobs, and unfortunately, they do not follow the 25% savings plan, and they believe that the more money they make, the more money they have to spend. This is very, very stupid and foolish, and in the end, they will have nothing, especially when a life-changing event encounters them, or an emergency or something for that matter. They are totally screwed. In a crazy place, an amazing, awesome, cool place like Japan and Tokyo, you are tempted by many vices. For example, clubbing, drinking, shopping, etc., etc. Therefore, you have to be careful with your expenses. Do also set aside a daily budget spending plan of how much money you can spend per month. That money should not be used or touched from the 25% that you are setting aside each and every month. A good daily budget in Japan for those blokes and chicks who do not want to spend a lot of money is around about 1,000 yen a day, which is about $10 a day and or about $300 a month. For myself, my budget is a bit more as I have more maintenance and more things to attend to. However, I always stick to my 25% plan and always have since I was a teenager. Another good idea for you ladies and gents is to set aside some money or set aside half of the 25% that you're saving each month and invest that in commodities such as gold. I never buy Bitcoin. I'm not a fan of it. I hate it. I despise it. And I've known too many people who've lost all of their life savings investing into Bitcoin. So that's not a good idea. If you're tempted when you're out and about in Tokyo or anywhere else in the world shopping, before you buy it, think about it. Ask yourself this simple question. Do I really need it? And most of the time, the answer is, of course, no. You just want it because you think you'll look cool or you think that you might need it, but you actually don't. In this case, take about 1 to 2 weeks to decide and think about it. And don't buy it unless you really, really absolutely need it or want it. Then hopefully when you go back to the store, it's gone. So that is destiny, and that means that you should not have bought it anyway. Another good savings rule for you elite English language instructors here in Japan or anywhere else in the world is to simply save all of the cash you make from private English lessons. I know guys and girls who've been teaching private English lessons here and all over the world for many, many years, and they save all of their money. They make anywhere from an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month, and they simply save that cash and do not touch it, and they just live off of their main paycheck from their language school or their university. So, case in point, after 5 years, they got tons and tons of cash flow. Another pointer before I cap off this video is when you get your salary, keep it in the bank and do not take out all of the money. Only take out the money that you need to pay your expenses and keep the rest in the savings. Another good option is to open up a dual account with the main bank that you have, so that way you have two accounts. One account is for your checking, which is where your salary is deposited, and the other account is for your savings, and you never touch it at all. You can also ask the bank to put a hold on your account, similar to what a CD is, for up to 1 year, up to 5 years, or whatever have you. Well, ladies and gents, I hope you learned your lesson, and I hope this savings plan will help you and stabilize your life and your future. Until next time, gotta go, got another class to teach, more money to make. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, don't forget, I provide private one-on-one Skype and email consultations for those who need immediate or emergency help with their life or transitioning abroad to teach English or whatever you can think of. I can help you. I'm here for you. You know where to find me. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services that will also help you on your journey of teaching English abroad and getting rich teaching English. Stay tuned for more videos, ladies and gentlemen, and until next time, take it easy, stay focused, stay hungry. Peace out.